Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2020 Chevy Silverado 2500 High Country. This one's pretty much fully loaded. Exterior's black on jet black. Has a 6.6 liter V8, gas powered, 6-speed, all totaling $266,970. Make this quick since the wind's brutal. Tons of back seat room. Oh yeah, little cubby hole in the back seat. Ingenious idea. This truck's all full of really neat ideas, and you'll see what I'm talking about once we get to the rear view mirror. Alright, so now we're inside. We can start to dive into the, well, as Doug DeMuro would say, quirks and features. It is probably the best or most luxurious truck interior I've seen. Really nice materials. Huge center console with a little light in there as well. SD cards. Wireless charging, a 12-volt car outlet, wall outlet. You have your heated seats. You can choose if you want your back and the lower part. You can choose just the upper part, or you could choose ventilated. Your sunroof, back seats again. So here's the rear view mirror. This is not a mirror. It's a screen that projects a rear view image on it. So you can see, like, you don't see me in the rear view mirror right now. You can see I can adjust all kinds of different stuff. The zoom, the level. That was about where I had it. That's a really neat idea. And I'm sure once you hook up a trailer, that's the trailer vision package, where you put the camera on the back of the trailer and that becomes your rear view mirror. That's a cool idea, let me tell you. But let's go ahead and drive this thing. I mean, this is a beautiful. You have also High Country embroidered on the seats. I like this truck a lot. And I'll be honest, I thought it was going to be a lot more expensive than it actually was. I was expecting to see an $80,000 sticker price, but $66,000 is a decent price as well. So this engine is a very torquey motor. It might not have the most horsepower in the world, but it's extremely torquey, which allows you to tow and haul whatever you should need. Transmission is really well tuned. No complaints there. Rides really well on the highway. I'm impressed. So if you might be thinking that rear view mirror would throw you off, don't get rid of it just yet. I really like that idea, because, you know, if you're trying to look out the back window, so you have 3 people back there, you don't have to worry about not seeing them. You can adjust your vision to whatever you want without having to move the actual mirror. It's a really smart idea. And the fact that I believe you can get a camera to put on the back of your trailer, so you can use that vision as your rear view mirror, so you can see what's actually right behind you. That's awesome. And then if you need actual mirrors, you have huge mirrors right there. And you also have big blind spot mirrors down on the bottom. And these also extend, so if you have a really wide trailer, you can extend them out. I mean, it's a really nice truck. I personally love this truck. It's an awesome vehicle. So now people might be asking, which way would I go, seeing how I've driven both now? Silverado 2500 or the F350? I was supposed to drive an F250, but the F350 is pretty much the same truck. Silverado. All day Silverado. This truck is awesome. I love it. All the materials are excellent. I mean, you gotta keep in mind, this is the highest trim one you can get, but it drives really well. It has tons of features that you can get. I have no complaints whatsoever with this truck. I love it, and for $66,000, I think that's a bargain for what you're getting, for sure. Alright, I was kind of quiet there so you can kind of get a feel for the truck. But overall, awesome job, Chevrolet. Well done. Very, very well done. One of the best HD trucks on the market for sure. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please stay tuned for future content and have a great day.